Hi, first grade, it's Mrs. Connolly. I just wanted to share a song with you today called Ebeneezer Sneezer. And that's a really funny song to say. So try saying it back to me. Ready? I'll say it first. Ebeneezer Sneezer. Now it's your turn. Go. Yeah, I know, it's silly to say. So now it says, Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man. What do you think that means? Topsy-turvy man. He's kind of just not put together today. Walks upon his elbows. Everyone pick your elbows up like this and try to airwalk on those elbows, because I wouldn't really suggest doing it for real. It might hurt. Every time he can. Dresses up in paper. Every time it pours. Whistles Yankee Doodle. Every time he snores. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. So, Ebeneezer Sneezer, I'm going to turn this way so you can see me a little bit better. All right, so we have Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks upon his elbows every time he can, dresses up in paper every time it pours, whistles Yankee Doodle every time he snores. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Let's clap this. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Listen again. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. So if I'm writing the first part, oh, Ebeneezer, what a, I would clap ta, ti, 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 and that would be 4 counts. My next part, ta, sh, sh, sh. I would have 3 beats of rest at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and play this song for you. See what you think. Here's how it starts. Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks upon his elbows every time he can, dresses up in paper every time it pours, whistles Yankee Doodle every time he snores. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Now, I noticed something else about the song. When I started out, I said, Ebeneezer Sneezer. My notes went straight across. Ebeneezer Sneezer. Topsy-turvy man. My notes again go straight across, but this time I went up just a little bit. Topsy-turvy man. Let's try the third line. Walks upon his elbows. You may notice I went up again, but my voice, once I get there, stays the same across. Every time he can. Same thing, we go up, but then stay across. Dresses up in paper every time it pours. Whistles Yankee Doodle every time he snores. Okay, so all of that, we went up, but every time we got to the up part, we stayed the same. Now in this one, this last line, it goes, oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. And it goes down, a descending pattern down. So it's showing me that I can go up, I can stay the same, I can go down. So there's a couple of different ways talking about how the melody works in this song that I think are pretty cool. So let's go back to the beginning and see if you can sing it all the way through. Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks upon his elbows every time he can, dresses up in paper every time it pours, whistles Yankee Doodle every time he snores. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. So that's the song Ebeneezer Sneezer. If you have time, maybe you can draw a picture of what you think Ebeneezer Sneezer dressed in paper might look like. If you do, maybe make sure you can put some raindrops around him, and maybe he can be dressed in kind of kooky mismatched clothes because he's topsy-turvy after all. So think about an outfit that might be topsy-turvy. Or maybe you want to get dressed up yourself like Ebeneezer Sneezer and have mom or dad take a quick picture. Either way, I hope you have fun with this song, singing Ebeneezer Sneezer. Have a great day.